morning to my dear children. Today we will discuss our new chapter 8 Shapes Around Us. This chapter is related to geometrical shapes and all the objects we look around us, whether they look alike or different. Tell me children, we can see around various types of objects. Do every objects look same or they have the same size? No, every objects are different and different in shape and size also. So let us today in this chapter we will look about some shapes of different objects. Before that, let us see some different types of lines. Okay. Different types of lines. Line means to draw, start with a point and extend it to further. This is a line. So children, if I draw this line from top to bottom or else from bottom to top like this, both the method you can draw this type of line. This type of line is called as standing line. What it is called as? Standing line. Can you tell me children why it is being called so? This line is in the standing position. As see, I am standing. So I am standing from, you can see from top to bottom or bottom to top. In the same way, this line is said to be called as standing because this line seems to be standing position में है ये line. So this line is called as standing line. Okay. And also it is called as vertical line. Another name of this is vertical line. I am repeating the spellings. Pay attention carefully. P-V-E-R-T-I-C-A-L. Vertical line. This line is drawn, which I have made here. This line has two names. One is standing line and second is the vertical line. Clear? Next line I am drawing. See this line. This line is it starting from the left to right. Yes? Or else you can start like this. You can make like this also. This line it seems to be not standing position. This is called as sleeping line. So children, can you guess why it is called a sleeping line? Because this is not in the standing position. This is like in this form. Yes or no? From left to right or right to bottom. This is in the sleeping form. It is lying down. It is lying down over something. It seems to be ऐसा दिख रहा है जैसे कि किसी के ऊपर lie down करके रखा गया. That is why it is called as sleeping line. Another name of this is horizontal line. What it is children? Horizontal line. See the spelling? Horizontal. Horizontal. Horizontal line. So I am repeating children, see here. This line, first line which I have made, this is in the standing position. So it is called as standing line. And the second name of this is vertical line. What it is? Vertical line. And the second figure you can see two lines which I made here. This is not in a standing position. This is can be said to as sleeping. Okay. So this line is said to be called as sleeping line. इसको sleeping line बोलते हैं. And the second name of this is horizontal line. What is it called as? Horizontal line. So children, can you see two more lines which I made here? Yes. This can be called as vertical line. No. This can be called as horizontal line. No. These lines are called as slanting line. What it is called as children? Slanting line. I am repeating the spelling. S-L-A-N-T-I-N-G. This type of lines are called as slanting line. S-L-A-N-T-I-N-G. Slanting line. Have you seen ladder? Ladder. L-A-D-D-E-R. Ladder, you know, CD, which we use to climb upstairs. Okay, that ladder is the best example of the slanting line. Yes or no? It needs support. Suppose this is a building and you have to climb upstairs. So for that you need ladder. Stairs जानते हैं, सीढ़ी जानते हैं. It has many steps. From going to certain steps we comes to the climb up to the top by using ladder. इसी ladder को use करके हम ऊपर लैडर का पोजीशन जो रहता है इट इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ स्लैंटिंग लाइक दिस, यस और नो। ये जो पोजीशन लैडर का ये इसी पोजीशन पे है, सो दिस इज एग्जांपल, दिस लाइन लैडर इज एग्जांपल ऑफ दिस स्लैंटिंग लाइन। दिस इज अ फॉर्म ऑफ स्ट्रेट लाइन, ये स्ट्रेट लाइन का फॉर्म है जो कि एकदम सपोर्ट चाहिए इसको। दिस इज अ स्लैंटिंग पोजीशन पे है, ओके। दिस इज नॉट वर्टिकल और हॉरिजॉन्टल, दिस इज अ स्ट्रेट लाइन। See another figure I am drawing like this. What can you say about this, children? This is a straight line? No, not at all. This is not a straight line. This is the line which I made here. The figure which I made here is called as curve. C-U-R-V-E. This is called as curve. This is not a straight line. ये straight आपको दिख रहा है? No, not at all. ये straight नहीं है. इसको आप this can example can be taken as वाटर फ्लोस, वाटर वेव्स जब अप एंड डाउन होता है ओशंस में, ओके, इन दिस वे ओनली द वाटर कम्स राइजेस अप एंड कम्स डाउन, यस और नो, ओके। एंड वी कैन से एग्जांपल्स सच एज like this is the English alphabet, yes or no, it is looking like U, this is the reverse of U and also it is a form of curve. If I draw like this is the English alphabet C and this is the English alphabet reverse of C. If I draw curve like this is W. If I draw curve like this is similar to M, yes or no. So these all are the kinds and this all figure I made which here this all are a form of curve. इसको हम curve बोल सकते हैं। जो भी है जो straight नहीं बना है, it is bending, okay, this is not straight, it is bending from the starting point to the end point, it is bending. Curve shape बोलेंगे इनको, these are all the forms of curve shape, okay. So children, let us see some examples of slanting, curved and vertical, horizontal. So children, if I made line like this, then it is called as what? Horizontal, yes or no? Okay, this is a straight line. If I made a line like this, it is called as vertical line. If I made a line like this, then it is called as slanting line, okay. And if I draw like this, what is this? This can be called as C, yes or no? But it is a form of curve. इसको हम curve बोल सकते हैं. This is a English alphabet. It is similar to English alphabet C, but it is called as curve. इसको हम curve बोल सकते हैं क्योंकि it is not whole round and it is bended. Okay. So these are the types of line. Examples. See children, I am having this wire. You can see this wire. If this wire I keep in like this, then it can be called as what? Horizontal line. Yes or no? Straight form में अगर इसको रखेंगे, then it is called as horizontal line. Okay. If I keep this wire in this form, you can see this. This is a form of vertical line. Yes. If I keep the wire like this form, okay, it needs support. It is like cross दिख रहा है आपको line. It is in the cross form, तो इसको हम बोलेंगे slanting line. It is the example of this slanting line. And next curve. If I keep the wire like this, okay, then it is a straight line. No, this is in the form of curve. इसको हम curve बोलेंगे. अगर इसको bend तरीके से रखेंगे, it is in the form of curve. Okay, this is the example of curve figure. So children, you have seen the different types of line. So now coming to our basic concept, that is shapes around us. Shapes, okay. Shapes are the various types of figures which you are seeing around you, surrounding around you. So by using that form of line, vertical, horizontal, straight, curve, the shapes can be drawn. So shapes are basically two types. First is plane figure and second is solid figure. So children, this plane figure you have learned in your previous class. Okay, what are plane figures? Can you describe me? Examples, can you give me some examples? Examples such as, what it is this? Square. What it is? Square. Next figure I made by using horizontal and vertical line. This figure is called as what children? Remember? rectangle. This figure is called as rectangle. Are you remembering? If you are not remembering this, so let us revise it again. Next figure I am drawing, children. What it is this? This has two slanting line. Yes or no? Two slanting line I made and one horizontal line. This figure is called as what? Triangle. What it is called as? Triangle. Okay? This three figure I made now. And one more. This is the simplest one and easiest one. This I made. This here you can see any type of line, horizontal, vertical or slanting. No, this figure has been made by using curve, two curve like this. By joining 2C, this circle can be made. Yes or no? Try it. And this is called as what? Circle. What it is called as? Circle. Circle is plane figure. Triangle is a plane figure. Rectangle is a plane figure. Square is also a plane figure. These figures are called as plane figure. One more figure I am drawing, see children. This is a circle. No, just looking like slightly a circle, but this is not a circle. This is called as oval. What it is called? Oval. You might be knowing or not knowing. Leave it. But today I have said this one. This figure is called as oval. Can you describe me some example? Can you give some example related to this oval? Yes. That is egg. Everyone knows eggs, and most of the children likes egg very much. So egg is in the form of which shape? Oval. Yes or no? Egg is in the form of oval shape. So children, this we have seen plane figures. Okay. And in the next class also we will be seeing plane figures and solid figures both. But today's homework I am giving you that in your maths notebook. In your maths notebook you have to make any 5 more plane figures are also there. You have to make 5 plane figures. You have to draw, that means you have to draw any plane figures, 5 plane figures and color it very nicely. See children, this is your homework you have to do in your maths notebook, and very neatly and clearly you have to draw. Make these plane figures, give the heading chapter number 8, shapes around us. Okay, and then plane figures, and under that you have to draw these figures, any 5 plane figures, and you have to color it, name them nicely and draw it perfectly nicely by using the scale or anything you want which is helpful for your drawing. So children, this we have learned about some kinds of different types of lines and shape. In the previous class we will proceed with our planes and solid figures more deeply. So that's all of today's class. Thank you and have a cheerful day.